Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to cancel order on Amazon on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. Well, first thing first, you can go ahead and open the Amazon application on your device. Okay, after that you can click profile icon at the bottom. And then here you can navigate to your orders. Okay, and then select the item. And then here you can press cancel item. Well, and then click once again. Okay, and then the order is successfully cancelled. Well, that's the tutorial on how to cancel order on Amazon on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.